We at SC Johnson Professional want to help you be successful by providing disinfectants and hand care products, support materials, and this instructional video. Have all the necessary cleaning products, protective equipment, signs, cleaning cloths, and tools available. Read all the product directions to ensure proper use. If you have further questions, please talk with your supervisor. Know where to find safety data sheets for the cleaning products you will use. Have properly labeled trigger spray bottles. For True Shot, this is easy. Just make sure you have all the True Shot concentrate cartridges with you. Pay special attention to disinfect touch points everywhere you are cleaning in a facility. Focus on surfaces like door handles, desks, counters, remote controls, light switches, water fountains. Restroom touch point surfaces include door handles and push plates, flush handles, faucets, sinks, hand soap dispensers, counters. Many disinfectant products can be used to both clean and disinfect. However, keep in mind that for optimal results, it's important to clean heavy soil on surfaces before applying disinfectant. After applying disinfectant, don't wipe the surfaces immediately, but keep them wet to optimize contact time for cleaning and disinfection while doing other tasks. Follow the disinfectant label to determine how long the surface must remain wet for optimal disinfection. Wipe by using disposable cleaning cloths or proper microfiber cloth. Make sure you are not carrying soil from one surface to another. As always, to reduce the potential for slips and falls, use wet floor signs and wipe up disinfectant overspray whenever needed. It's also very important to help keep the hands of everyone in your facility clean and sanitized. To do this, use SC Johnson Professional Hand Soap and Sanitizer. According to the CDC, washing hands with soap and water is the best way to get rid of germs in most situations. If soap and water are not readily available, you can use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Remember, by using the proper tools, high-quality SC Johnson Professional products, and these simple steps, you have made your facility a clean and sanitary environment.